This was a 1960s Otis, terribly modernized. Oh. Look at the door handle. Oh, let's go to 4. Oh, yeah, that's quite some leveling there. It just stops. It's not even 2 speed, it's 1 speed. Let's go down to ground. Travel distance is very short, maintained by Velarde. Oh, let's go to 4 once again. Those doors close very smoothly. Huh, this is about cameras, but doesn't have any cameras inside. Oh, at least the cab was nicely done. Down one more time. Yeah, travel distance is very short. Yeah, it's a tiny elevator. At least the cab interior was nicely redone, but when you got this running in a 1960s Otis, the best part is at floor 4. We're gonna see that. The doors are very smooth. Yeah, the ride is nice, but the stops, I'm not shaking. Elevateke. Never heard of this brand before. I've never seen it. Weird font for their logo. Look at this, man. This is straight up 1960s. This was before the Modelinho, also known as Lexan. Oh, there's equipment. A massive interlock. Just look at that, man. This is pure 1960s Otis. But treat yourselves with what was left. Otis, and you can still hear the relays. See, you heard the relay clicking back when the. See, it's this floor. The original coaster still works. See how quickly it stops. It's 1 speed. We're gonna call it. And there goes the car top. That's quite an impact. And there it is. There's the elevator. That's